all, today we are going to learn action verbs with pictures. Plant, plant means lagana. Sweep, sweep means झाड़ना. Shivering, shivering means कांपना. Swing, swing means झूला झूलना. Sell, sell means बेचना. Talk, talk means बात करना. Clap, clap means ताली बजाना. Fight, fight means झगड़ा करना. Erase, erase means मिटाना. Win, win means जीतना. Open, open means खोलना. Close, close means बंद करना. Dreaming, dreaming means सपना देखना. Fall, fall means गिरना. Slip, slip means फिसलना. Yarn, yarn means जम्हाई लेना. Taste, taste means चखना. Buy, buy means खरीदना. Fly, fly means उड़ना. Smile, smile means मुस्कुराना. Build, build means बनाना. Lose, lose means हारना. Steady, steady means पढ़ना. Help, help means मदद करना. Kick, kick means लात मारना. Paint, paint means रंगना. Think, think means सोचना. Wipe, wipe means पोंछना. Teach, teach means पढ़ाना. Brushing, brushing means ब्रश करना. Bath, bath means नहाना. Comb, comb means कंघी करना. Wear, wear means पहनना. Run, run means दौड़ना. Swim, swim means तैरना. Playing, playing means खेलना. Eating, eating means खाना. Chop, chop means काटना. Jump, jump means कूदना. Crawl, crawl means घुटनों के बल चलना. Hop, hop means कूदना. Laugh, laugh means हंसना. Stand, stand means खड़ा होना. Read, read means पढ़ना. Sit, sit means बैठना. Clean, clean means सफाई करना. Cry, cry means रोना. Dance, dance means नृत्य करना. Ride, ride means सवारी करना. Sleeping, sleeping means सोना. Walk, walk means टहलना. Listen, listen means सुनना. Sing, sing means गाना गाना. Drink, drink means पीना. Climb, climb means चढ़ना. Drive, drive means गाड़ी चलाना. Sinking, sinking means डूबना. Watch, watch means देखना. Awake, awake means जागना. Cooking, cooking means खाना बनाना. Write, write means लिखना. Wash, wash means धोना. Watering, watering means पानी डालना. Carry, carry means ढोना. Push, Push means ढकेलना. Pull means खींचना. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.